Back with another video, and today is a pretty exciting day. As you can see, I got my Trackhawk here and my red-eye jailbreak, and I'm swapping them. So I'm putting the jailbreak in the garage, got the Trackhawk, and I am driving this to a shop to get a new intake put in on this thing. So we're gonna make the whine a lot louder than it is currently. This Trackhawk hasn't been driven in probably 2 months. I put it up 2 months ago, haven't pulled it back out, and I think the reason why is because it looks like a soccer mom car on the road, unless it's got a wide body, bigger tires, whatever, bigger wheels. But step one starts today. We are getting an intake installed. I'm gonna do it before and after. It's going to sound killer. Wow, I haven't sat in this Trackhawk in a while. Literally got it, drove it probably twice, and then put it up. I haven't driven it since. Y'all are going to trip when y'all see the build that is going to be done on this thing. So I don't know if y'all know this or not, but when I got this Trackhawk, I bought it with high miles because I had a plan for this thing that eventually I was gonna drive this until the engine decided to stop working, and then I'm gonna drop potentially a Demon 170 crate motor in this and just rebuild the whole thing. I want to be different. I want to stand out. I don't want it to be like everybody else's Trackhawk. I know some people can go a little too far with the wraps, like, you know, too many decals, too many things going on. I'm a big believer in simplicity, so as you can see, like my truck, all my cars are very simple looking, outside of maybe my Jeep. My Jeep's got a, you know, big wrap on it, but I am a huge believer in simplicity. So the more clean it looks, the better, in my opinion. Not shaming on anybody else's Trackhawk. I think everybody's Trackhawk online looks dope, but I am a little different as far as the way I want things to look. So I went with a BWoody intake. It's the same intake I have on my TRX, and if anyone's ever heard my TRX, it whines. It's crazy loud. And the TRX has a very thick metaled hood. Well, the Trackhawk does not. So this thing is going to scream, and I cannot wait. So let's pop the hood and show you what's underneath this as of now. So this is the current situation we have going on here. This is what it looks like. This is the current intake, obviously Hellcat. But for a Trackhawk that has as many miles as this one has on it, this engine bay looks spotless, like mint, like it's just never been driven ever before. So I'm excited. This is gonna look really, really good. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you what the actual BWoody intake looks like. Got the Super Snake, the KR, the GT3 RS, 24 Super Snake, and the Demon 170. Got some really, really, really exciting news to share with y'all. So I might make a separate video on this just because of how insane this is, but let's just say that I was selected or invited to have a certain car that is invite only, and yeah, y'all can do with y'all what y'all want with that, but let's just say that it's a very special car. So they sent me, BWoody sent me these packages. This is, I think this is the cover. Clamps, we got a cover for it. Not gonna lie, I don't know where this is gonna go, not a clue, but it looks dope, so we're gonna take it with. Oh, instructions, that might be important. I don't know, if I'm taking it to someone that needs instructions, probably not doing a very good job with what they're doing. All right, let's pack this thing up and let's hit the road. Do one last little before pull. Oh my gosh, dude, Trackhawks are so fast. It's insane that something this size can move that quick. All right, Bryce. Let's see what you got.
Ah, she's a virgin.
She is a virgin.
She's a virgin, bro.
Yep.
Where did you manage to find a virgin Trackhawk?
Honestly, that's the crazy part about this whole thing is I was able to find one that had nothing done to it.
Wow.
It honestly looks like it's never been driven.
I know.
And there's a lot of miles in this thing.
This is insane.
Yep. Where's the... is that it? Yeah.
BWoody.
I put some instructions in there.
The loudest
sure.
intakes ever.
I know, that's what I was telling him. I was like, this is the loudest intake you can literally buy.
The instructions, my guy.
I left those in there.
Who needs those?
I told them, I was like, if I'm taking to someone that needs instructions, they probably don't need to be doing it. What the fuck? All kinds of stuff.
Dude, you got the race one?
Yeah.
You did not.
I don't know what I did.
What are you gonna use this one for, man?
I don't know.
I could have printed this.
I don't know, they gave it to me.
Oh, this thing is dope, dude.
So what's that? That's like the
This is no filter.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but when you're racing and like when you're doing straight racing,
yeah,
you don't use
you
this.
Don't
It'll suck it up, man. Take this off. Take that filter off, put this and run it.
Wow. Yeah, it came with all kinds of crazy stuff. This little I don't know what that is, but
this is the heat shield.
Yeah.
Also, because you have this vent right here.
Yeah.
So when it rains, it doesn't go all over the filter. What is that?
It's a hawk. They asked if I wanted to put a hawk on there, and I was like, go for it.
What is that though?
BWoody Performance.
Oh.
I'm assuming that's what that stands for. Yeah. When they said hawk, I thought they meant an actual Trackhawk logo, not whatever this is. But oh, this is. They asked me what color I wanted, and I was just like, just send me a black one. I didn't want to get too crazy with it. They like to wrap that thing, didn't they?
Oh wow.
That looks good. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
That looks really good.
Oh yeah. Huge.
That thing's massive. Goodness gracious. This filter's crazy. Dang.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the instructions, BWoody.
Yeah, I'm glad I brought those because. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's go digging.
Fuck!
Is it underneath the thing? Oh no, I don't see it under there.
Alright, we'll use the other one.
Looks so good. So clean. Brother, appreciate it.
Yeet.
All right, we are officially leaving now. We're about to see how this sounds on the road. I've yet to hear it. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good, dude. That sounds so much better. That is insane. That is insane how much louder the Whine is. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh my gosh, that thing purrs. The camera does not do it justice. It is 5 times as loud as the factory intake. It's not even comparable. BWoody, y'all are unreal. YouTube, it is the next day, and my camera guys are about to be here, and I'm going to show them the new intake, get their opinion on it, get their reaction. I've already taken them in the Trackhawk once before the intake was installed, so they know what it sounds like. They were shocked about how fast the Trackhawk was. Some people don't realize how quick those things are. All-wheel drive SUV, you know, with a Hellcat motor. It puts a smile on my face. Let's just say that. It's one of my favorite cars in the entire collection. But yeah, my camera guys are about to be here, and then I'm going to roll the camera and get their reaction. As I was saying in the beginning of this video, this build is going to be crazy. I plan on really making this thing stand out. It's going to sound menacing. I plan on getting a very, very nice exhaust to it, not just some straight pipe. This exhaust that I'm getting is no joke. And when you pair that up with a BWoody intake, it's going to sound disgusting. I'm going to get a new pulley, bigger tires, bigger wheels, wide body, wrap, interior, steering wheel, everything. So y'all stay tuned for this build. It's going to be one of the best builds on the internet, I promise you.
Yo.
Yeah. See how these things actually work. Cause I actually want a pair. Do I gotta do anything else? Is that it? I guess that's it.
I don't know.
Whoa.
Nah.
They're playing something.
Oh yeah, you can play music to that. I'm pretty sure.
I'm tapping something. Is that the up?
I don't
Hold
know.
on. Dude, that's crazy. It's just playing noises.
What?
Like, it's like I'm turning the volume up.
Oh.
And then I'm turning the volume down.
How do you record?
I don't know. I'm trying to like feel around. Meta record. Yo.
Wow. Late per usual.
Huh? Of course she did.
Clip it.
Not C4.
I know.
C4 sponsor us.
Oh, yeah.
That's a
Different Morgan.
yeah, it's a different Morgan.
Y'all remember the Trackhawk when it was stock?
Yeah.
How it sounded? The whine? It wasn't that crazy.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm scared.
it's about to be pretty crazy. The front, that's fine.
True.
There it is.
Oh. Boom. Dude.
Yeah, that looks insane.
Like that.
Holy, bro.
Oh, man.
That is 10 times better.
That's crazy. That's loud as shit.
Yeah, on the road it sounds ridiculous. I would not touch
Yeah,
that.
your
if I were
finger
you.
would be
That is
gone.
up to you, though. And the filter is massive. It's a gigantic.
Down there? Boom. Dude, unbelievable. Watch your head.
Yeah. Thing's trash. He looks.
Oh, and we hit the cone.
Damn, that thing is loud now.
Hey, I think there's something wrong with your car.
Oh yeah, it sounds.
It's making a weird, funny, like whining noise.
I actually sure something funny.
Oh, there we go. And we're cooked. Wow. Put to the floor. Second time, look at that.
Unbelievable.